Hey everyone, welcome to the PDNob channel. PDNob PDF Editor 2 now brings a more powerful and user-friendly editing experience, making it easier than ever to modify your PDFs exactly the way you want. It's not just about making changes, it's about doing it faster and with more flexibility. So, what makes the edit feature stand out? First, simpler and more flexible editing experience. The updated interface makes editing more intuitive, so you can quickly click, adjust, and update content without any complicated steps. At the same time, it offers a wide range of ways to edit both text and images, giving you greater control over your document in just a few clicks. Finally, easier watermarking with more styles. Adding watermarks is now quicker and more convenient, with a variety of built-in styles to choose from. Whether you need to protect your document or add branding, you can do it effortlessly. PDNob PDF Editor 2 isn't just a PDF editor, it's a complete solution for creating and customizing documents with ease. If you want a smoother and more flexible way to edit PDFs, this feature is definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.